welcome to my channel, Affordable Recipes. So for today, finally dumating na ang ating YouTube silver button. Okay, so thank you so much sa inyo guys. Dahil kung hindi sa suporta nyo sa ating YouTube channel, Affordable Recipes, hindi ako magkakaroon ng award na to. Kaya para sa inyo to. Okay? Today, i-unbox natin siya, and after natin siya i-unbox, I will give you tips on how to claim your YouTube silver button once you reach your 100k subscribers. Okay? So, let's start! Okay, so i-unbox na natin siya. So, once you reach your 100k subscribers, guys, mag-message lang kayo kay Google Chat na na-reach nyo na yung 100k subscribers. Then, i-verify na yung account mo. After na i-verify yung account mo, ibibigay siyang code. And yung code na yun is isi-set mo kay YouTube Creator Awards. And then, fill upan mo lang yung form doon, and then sasabihin na sa'yo kung kailan nila ipapadala yung YouTube silver button mo. Okay? So, ito na siya. This is fresh from USA. So, 5 days lang, simula nung kiniling namin siya kay YouTube Creator Awards is pinadala na agad siya. Okay? So, ito na siya. Ito yung ating letter from CEO YouTube, Susan. Ayun, dumabasa yung surname niya. Okay? So, ito siya. Okay? Babasahin ko siya para sa inyo. Some 100 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far, and it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. That's wow. Okay. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with a Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. So, thank you so much guys sa inyo kasi hindi ko makukuha to kung hindi nyo sinuportahan yung YouTube channel ko. So, congratulations in this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. So, after all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication, whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh. So, sana may natututunan kayo sa YouTube channel ko. A whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely. Okay, from the CEO of YouTube. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, YouTube. So, ito na siya. Tanan! Ayan. Ito na siya. So, guys, pwede nyo palitan yung name na gusto nyo makita dito sa silver button nyo. So, for example, sa akin, Affordable Recipes, pwede nyo siyang palitan kung gusto nyo yung name nyo rin yung nakasulat sa inyong YouTube Silver Button Awards. Okay? So, ito na siya. Yan. So, thank you so much.